Vai, volta igualzinho, todo mundo igualzinho como tava. Igual da mesma formação. A mesma formação do primeiro tempo.
Deixar o menino no lugar dele mesmo.
Isso, fica aí no mesmo tempo.
Set up, look alive.
Eu.
Ô, Joel, chuta pra frente, Joel.
Pay attention. Lembra? Let's go.
Tem que aprender a jogar sem ele. Quando ele não vê ele. Eu sei que ele é bom, faz diferença, mas nós estamos ganhando e nós temos que aproveitar isso para aprender a jogar sem ele.
Passou! Vai, mais vivo!
Ei, protege também. Abre, Fabiano, vai mais pra frente.
He can shoot all the way back.
Agora sim, ó. Fala pro menino lá, não subiu, ó.
Lucas, come back. Lucas, come back.
Hey. Bola ao chão, não falta não.
Way ball.
You went straight up.
Oh,
He wasn't.
oh my goodness.
He went down.
What? Foul?
He didn't go for the ball at all.
Turn around.
Eu achei que ele parou porque foi disputa de cabeça, que ele machucou, talvez.
That was wrong, but that's okay. We all make mistakes.
Não tem marcação.
Lucas, 25.
Passou direita, Alan. Passou direita.
Mais?
Não tem marcação,
Não tem marca. Não, tá bom. Aí, pula.
Foi embora.
Ele não marca,
Ele tem que contar o passo.
Deixa depois faz erro
Tá
também.
certo, você tá certo. Você tá certo. Oh my goodness.
No, that's okay. You can make mistakes. Referees make mistakes, it's okay.
Ele tá contra o vento, viado. A bola vai voltar.
Lucas, go down a little bit. Isso! 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 Sim. Lucas, go!
Yeah.
Are you listening to that? He's not the instigator, though. He's not the instigator.
It don't matter.
Lucas, calma aí.
Quem tomou amarelo? Quem tomou amarelo?
Ei!
Fabiano, vai. Sai.
Não busca mais a pelota, não busca.
Fabiano, sai.
Ei, árbitro!
Não fica aí, se o juiz mandar sair.
No more pick up the ball.
Hey, 1 second.
No more pick up the ball. He's got to switch shirts now.
No more.
How can we go?
You guys will get the ball.
Guarda o he hit their ball and he's fucking kicked me out for it. Because I took too much time to get their ball. Oh.
Hey! Referee! Referee! Come on!
The league's gonna need to have ball boys, man.
Yes! That's what I'm saying.
There's no ball.
Hey, dá só camisete pra mim. Dá uma camisete pra mim.
Vamos, Fabiano, abre, vai pra sua, vai pra sua.
It's a yellow. It's a 2-minute yellow.
Tem luvas? Tem luvas não.
Still a terrible call. I just gave it to him.
Okay. This one. Up.
Errado.
Vai!
Come in. Hey, come on, hey. Let's go. Better. Good job. Good time.
No.
It's your gloves on.
Here.
All right,
Yo.
come on, let's
Yo.
come on.
No. Leave him there.
Huh?
Ele vai entrar na meio. Não, velho. O Ron tá tão doido.
Why are we gonna do that to ourselves?
Look at this.
É Ron, caralho.
Let's go. Finish.
Yes, keeper. Pressure him. Don't give him a shot. Good job, keeper. Stay with him. There you go. No! Family. That's not cool, man. You're calling all of our fouls. They're not there. Come on. Coach might have to go. Fabiano, eu vou te trocar com ele, tá bom? Um minutinho só. Depois. Fabiano, vai pra trás. Mais. Deixa ele, Yo. Mais, Fabiano, vai mais. Perto do goleiro. Perto do goleiro. Valeu! Go with him!
Wait, you got it right there. Volta pra esquerda, meu filho. Toca a bola. Começa.
Bate!
Come on. Let's go. All right, you got the guard. Let's go. Nós tem que fazer igual, velho. Os caras tá só batendo, cara. All right, bro.
Don't get up.
Ei, Fabiano, fica perto do pau. Perto, pra remate.
Hey, ref. Can you come back on now?
Hey.
2 minutes?
Can we switch? Fabiano.
Vai contar não, juiz?
Dá não. Quer que eu me isolo lá na frente, cara? Eu tenho que juntar o perto da bola.
The ball's right there! The ball's right there! Shot a free kick. You guys think the ball's a free kick?
Let's go. We're in.
Kenny, do your thing, Kenny. Go do it. Keep going. There you go.
It's not our ball. It's not our ball. They kicked it. Okay, well,
Kenny, it's okay. It's okay. Focus.
Like, he already on the yellow, bro. Tell him to chill out.
Stay up there, Kenny. Go back up more. Way up there. Up. You got people up there. All of them. Come back, Lucas. Come back. Isso. Now we got 2 more in front, so take advantage. Two more. There you go. Get him. Get it. Giggle.
Quer tirar alguém aí? Eu tentar, aí o cara já vem, já volta. Vai tentar.
How many minutes left?
Ele faz bastante.
At most 15.
Vamos tirar.
We got it. We're good.
Yeah, I just wanted to make sure.
You got 10 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Make sure.
Your name was Josh, right? Ricky.
Guys, got people up
Just,
there. Let's
just
go.
to make sure nothing else going on.
Here we go.
Kenny,
I'm required.
don't stay in the middle. Go all the way to the goalie. Stay up there.
Rob, show. Hey, boys, just get one. Rob. Show.
Rob. Hey, go.
Stay.
Take a shot. Come on, talk. Take it. Yeah, Andy.
Let it go. That's it. It's a lost cause. No, let's go. Let's go. No! No, that was the face. That was the face.
Você colocou o cara pra marcar o goleiro, velho?
Hein?
Pelo amor de Deus, velho.
Let's go. We got video. Let's go.
Faz alguma coisa!
Boa.
Go. Go, Kenny. Come back. Atrás. Go, Kenny. Go.
Ajuda ele, velho. Mike. Ai!
All right. Yeah, go. Stop.
Ei, espera.
Yo, espera aí. Referee, we ready? All right, get it. Aí, ó. Desce, Everaldo. That's what I'm on. Keep going.
Tira o chute do cara, gente. Come on, nigga! Come on!
Não, bota mais atacante.
Let's go, guys. 6 minutes. Let's go. Vai, Kenny, vá!
But it's your ball. You got to get your own ball.
Guys, just go home. You want your ball, go get your ball. Now go. We don't want to go. You want to go home, you go ahead.
You go get it.
You can go home.
Let him instigate. You get a yellow again.
You heard me.
Vai, sozinho. Aí.
Aí, olha só.
Vai! Falhou.
Watch your back.
Não tá aí. Vai arrumar as coisas, tá? Calma aí. Volta! Hey, Kenny, vai! So, all by yourself. Come on, Kenny. There you go. Keep going, Kenny. Keep going, Kenny. Run!
We got it all in the middle.
Vai correndo e volta correndo.
Tem que arrumar mais bola. Down the player, go. Down the player.
Probably punted it over there.
In.
Dai! Chuta!
3 minutes, let's go. Reset. Stay in goal.
Lucas. Lucas, right here. Don't let it. Lucas, keep going.
Pressure.
Hey, Christmas. Hey, Mark.
Vai!
Reset, look alive.
Vai! Sozinho!
There it is.
Bom feito, Fabiano.
There it is.
You know what to do.
Sorry, man.
Oh, you're good. That was good. Look what happened.
Sorry.
Good job out there, bro. What are you talking about?
Good job. Fabiano, vai. Nice. Get the ball, guys.
Without you, hey, you know that? Yeah, all around, they pass it each other, they look, you know. Yeah,
Vai, vai, vai! Watson, vai! Isso! 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 Vai, vai! Sozinho! What?
Olha isso, continuou, bicho.
Falta, velho.
Então,
Não é falta, ele não para de
não, nós estamos com vantagem, ele deu falta.
Ei, man.
What? What just happened?
Look at the yellow card.
Well, why? What did he stop the game? Right, but we wouldn't have the ball. That was advantage. That was advantage. Why would you stop the game?
Joel.
It's horrible, referee.
Bora passar logo.
Chuta! Ih, chuta! Chuta!
Pra trás, caralho. O Diego.
Oh, wow.
Vai por mim, velho.
Bom feito, Fabiano. Desce, desce. Vai, come back, Mike. Get him.
Stay with him.
Come back, Diego.
Ei, nós estamos com mais, vamos,
Come
galera.
back.
Come back.
Let's go.
Segura, Fabiano, segura.
Hey.